Choosing the right school is one of the most important decisions a student and family can make. And at Salem High School, students are prepared not just for graduation, but for life beyond the classroom. At Salem High School, learning goes beyond textbooks. Students gain real-world experience through hands-on science labs, manufacturing courses, and interactive learning opportunities designed to build practical skills and confidence. Through work-based learning programs, students can explore careers, gain experience in professional settings, and develop the tools they need for future success. SHS provides incredible academic opportunities, including pathways that allow students to graduate with an associate's degree while still in high school. Salem offers several dual credit courses, assisting students to get ahead in college and save thousands of dollars in tuition costs. One of Salem's standout programs is the award-winning Media Department. Students can earn dual credit in broadcasting while gaining hands-on experience through student-run programs like live streams, social media, video production, and the school's radio station. With a large online presence, students have opportunities to create content, tell stories, and even be seen by audiences across the community and beyond. Salem believes in developing well-rounded students who make a positive impact wherever they go. They can tour with the guitar club, plant trees with the science club, and learn so many life skills throughout military club. That's just a few of the many extracurricular activities at Salem High School. There's a place for every student to belong, grow, and lead. Building culture and celebrating student success is part of everyday life at Salem. Interactive learning and student engagement are the center of Salem experience. Teachers work to create classrooms where students are involved, challenged, and inspired to think creatively and critically in an ever-changing world. And Salem's tradition of excellence extends to athletics as well. With a strong history of success in sports and state-of-the-art facilities, students and fans experience game days like never before, including the new football Jumbotron, operated by students, which enhances the atmosphere for everyone involved. At Salem High School, students are not only prepared for college and careers, they are prepared to lead, serve, and make their communities better places. Whether in the classroom, on the field, behind the camera, or out in the community, Salem students are building a future filled with opportunity. Salem High School, where tradition meets opportunity and student success comes first.